In 3 minutes, I will show you how you can tie beautiful Ankara Gele styles that will stay all day. So come with me, get your 2 yards Ankara fabric, and you're going to be tying the breadth of it, which is the shorter length, at the back like this, and then you're going to flip the length, which is the longer end, to the back in this manner, and you're going to start arranging it as if you are gathering a rough pleat. From back, you work your way down to the front. Make sure the gele is well snuggy in your head while you are arranging your folds to create a round crown around the perimeter of your head. And then I'm just going in a circular motion, creating rough pleats, and I'm going around the perimeter of my head until I'm limited in my fabric. Because we are working with 2-yard fabric, so you go around the first time and it's not going to go around the second time. So you can see it stop right there. So but in the middle, in the center of my forehead, I'm going to be using a rubber band or hair tie. I prefer hair tie because it's stronger than rubber band that can just break and disappoint you. So I use it to hold it in place in the center, and I'm going to be pinning one side down to kind of like give it a secure stand to work with my flace. So I'm going to open up that side that I use the rubber band to hold, to create like a race umbrella shape, but I don't want it to be too high. So I'm going to work it down to a sizable small design that is going to raise up in front, that will make our Ankara Gele headwrap style 1 to be very unique and beautiful. And for the style number 2, you are going to love it. So stay with me. Don't go anywhere. We are done with style number 1. We are just pinning it down to secure it and making sure that it frames our face the way we want it. And this will be my suggested style number 1. Very simple and very beautiful, and we do this under 3 minutes, guys. Style number 1 of our Ankara Gele headwrap style is ready. Isn't this beautiful? You can definitely rock this to your next Owanbe party. So let's move on quickly to the next Ankara style. You see that flare that you are looking is what we're going to work with to create our style number 2. Yes, if you're asking me what I mean, just watch how I am going to turn this to another style. So I'm just folding in that flare at the back, tucking it in smoothly, and I have a perfect round Ankara Gele. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.